Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Beko Refrigerator error E4. If you want to fix the error, then these are the possible fixes related to your problem. First, restart the fridge. Unplug for 5 to 10 minutes to reset. The second option is to check defrost components. Test the defrost heater, thermostat, and the control board for faults. The third option is defrost manually. Turn off the fridge and let ice melt. Use a hair dryer or load to speed it up. The another option is to inspect fan and drain. Ensure the evaporator fan works and the drain line is clear. So these are the possible fixes you need to consider. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.